Okay, so next we have economy. Economy is a system that, that manages the productive employment resources of a country, a state, a community, or any particular region. The economic growth refers to increasing production and consumption in the economy. So we're always better off when production is and consumption are increasing. We want to learn about the future direction of the economy. Think about this as part of your financial planning process. We look at economic indicators. Economic indicators are statistics that suggest how well the economy is doing, currently and in the future. Gross domestic product, or GDP, is a pro-cyclical indicator, meaning that if GDP is increasing, that means that it's the economy's doing well. Unemployment, for example, would be a counter-cyclical. If unemployment is increasing, that's an indication that the economy's doing poorly. Next, we have the business cycle. The business cycle is how the economy grows and contracts over time. So we have 6 stages of the business expansion. So expansion is above the trend line and prior to the peak. So the economy is growing and expanding. When we get to we go to the peak, and the peak, it flattens out. Again, we're still above the trend line, and then we go into contraction. So contraction is beyond the trend line. Then downturn is once we reach the trend line and we're below it, and then trough is when the economy bottoms out, and then recovery is after the trough, and the economy starts growing again, and then the process starts all over again. So leading in economic indicators. So these are statistics that are indicators, or they change before the economy changes. So it helps us predict the direction. The book refers to the index of leading in the economic indicators, LEI. So it's a composite index that is a predictor of the future direction of the economy. One of the most important items in the economy is consumer confidence. So consumer confidence is consumer confidence. We'll talk about it a little bit later, but it's a index that that measures consumer confidence. When consumer confidence is strong, people buy things. They buy new mattresses, washers and dryers, and cars and houses and so forth. When it's weak, people don't buy things. Consumer confidence took a hit before the election. People were nervous about the outcome of the election. So it'll be interesting to see after the election whether their consumer confidence, increases going forward or not. It's something that we'll need to watch. Okay, we'll start next with inflation.